And you know the other thing with lockdown? Because we were on lockdown for like, what, 6, 8 weeks or something like that? The quality family time, oh, priceless. I love my family, but not that much. It got to a stage where I wake up in the morning like, oh, not your face again. You know? You know, and I realized, man, what I realized during those lockdowns was that I was more afraid of my wife than I was catching COVID. Because the thing is, I'm married to a beautiful Samoan woman. But you see, Samoan women, they're like superwomen. They look like a woman, but they're strong like a man. Oh, yeah. And if there are any non-Samoan men here who want to date a Samoan woman, do your research. Do your research. You see, you need to find out how many brothers does she have, because your life can depend on it. Find out who her parents are. If she's a daughter of a church minister, oh, then you got to make sure you can recite the Bible. You can read it in English, Hebrew, and Samoan. Got to be able to play the piano, conduct in the choir, lead the youth group, go to church in the morning, afternoon, evening, good night. And if you marry a daughter of a high chief, whoa, then not only do you marry the family, you marry the whole village. And it might even mean that you have to go and live in Samoa. So you're going to have to learn how to climb a coconut tree in 3 seconds flat. Kill a pig with your own bare hands. Kill a cow with your own bare feet. Then you do the homu. Feed the whole village. And you have to wait to eat last. That's why I didn't marry a high chief's daughter. Hell no, am I going to eat last?